This guys, we are gonna play this game, Castle. So I've literally already got 8 million. Then take a look at the leaderboard. Wait, let me refresh it. Here is it. So, here is me, this skin. I literally got 8 million. Do you want to be like 8 million? So you just have to download this game, but not sure. You have to be very careful to this game. It's button cow play mobile. Still saves the game, but sure, let's go. Let's see if we can get some more money. I forgot to you, there's the info buttons, like 1, 2, 3. So here, you have to know this. Button 1 gives 2,000 cow, and button 2 gives 5,000 cow, and last button 3 gives 10,000 cow. You have to know this. Guys, when I reach 10 million, I will literally leave now and leave my score there. But my score, and I'm gonna play other games, just like buttons. I'm gonna play other button games, and we're almost there. 3, 2, 1, go! Happy birthday! Woo! So let's see this one. Wow, this is great. But I will see you next in part 2. Wait, what's wrong? Button 2 doesn't give dime. What's wrong? Wait. 2,000? Right, wait. Right, it was 5,000. Okay, wait. Screenshot and collect. Now we're gonna leave. Traffic light, whoosh, traffic light, whoosh. Wow, take a look at this traffic light. Even a police car there. Wow, this is the nice city. This is literally made by me, but it's literally remixed by Chris Patasil. Chris Patasil. Over here at the down. You just read it. Bye bye.